Hello friends, my name is Sid. Today I will tell you everything you need to know about Exipure. So pay close attention to what I'm going to tell you because I have two very important updates for you. The first thing you need to know about Exipure is to be careful with the website you are going to buy because Exipure is only sold on the official website. Unfortunately, there are reports of the sale of fake product on unauthorized websites. So stay safe and don't risk buying a fake product and losing money. I left the link from the official Exipure website below in the description of this video so that you can safely access it. Now I'm going to tell you what Exipure is, how it works, and its benefits. Exipure is a state-of-the-art formula that accelerates your metabolism, burn fat especially in the belly area, and lose weight in a natural, safe and efficient way. After many laboratory tests, scientists have identified a natural formula with concentrated ingredients, very effective and potent, but also very safe, that has been able to combat the root cause of fat accumulation in the body. The low amount of brown adipose tissue, also called brown fat, it was found that brown fat is effective in losing weight. It is formed by mitochondria which work around the clock, burning stored fat and transforming it into energy. The so-called brown fat burns up to 300 times more calories than any other cell in your body. Scientists have found that the overweight people have less brown fat in their bodies. And the miraculous Exipure formula causes the levels of brown fat in your body to increase. And so your body will burn much more fat during the day and you will reach your ideal weight quickly. The Exipure formula has a powerful blend with 8 scientifically proven, exotic, and potent ingredients. All the ingredients increase the level of brown adipose tissue and have a few more benefits, which I'll tell you now. Perilla supports brain health and supports healthy cholesterol. Kudzu is high in antioxidants and relieves pain. Aix holy basil reduces stress and supports brain power. White Korean ginseng supports healthy immunity and reduces oxidative stress. The cork bark eases digestion and bloating. Propolis has more than 300 essential antioxidants that support healthy blood sugar. Quercet supports healthy blood pressure and rejuvenates aging cells. Allure spine supports artery health and supports healthy cholesterol. All ingredients are concentrated, natural, widely studied, and with proven efficacy, and all have properties to increase the brown adipose tissue in your body. I left the link of the official website just below in the description so you can check. Exipure improves your metabolism and helps you to burn more calories. In fact, it helps in burning fat even in your belly and other parts. Also, it'll help you decrease the risk of cardiovascular disease and other overweight-related diseases. Important to keep in mind that Exipure will help a lot in your weight loss, but you also need to practice some kind of exercises such as running or walking, riding a bike, something that you like and is enjoyable. Drinking lots of water will improve your quality of life and health. It will also help you lose a lot of weight. Don't forget to eat well and exercise frequently. The recommended is that you consume Exipure every day by taking a capsule with a glass of water, and Exipure will burn fat even while you sleep. You will notice changes in your body and quality of life already in the first month of consumption. And the idea of the product is that you should consume it regularly for a period of 3 months so that you can feel all the effects of Exipure and your body gets used to it. At this time, recommended above is that people notice the changes and improvements in their bodies with the consumption of Exipure. But you must know that each body reacts in a different way to treatment. So I recommend you take the test and be surprised just as many people are being transformed. But remember to take the treatment seriously and consume it every day. I can understand that if you don't eventually follow the treatment as recommended and end up not liking or not feeling all the effects of the remedy, you can ask for a refund. You'll get your money back. Because Exipure has a warranty of 180 days. The manufacturers expect people who use Exipure to be totally satisfied and feel it was worth their money. So yes, you can fully trust Exipure. It is also important to know that Exipure is 100% natural. It has no side effects or contraindications. It is non-GMO and does not cause addiction and is safe and easy to be taken. It is manufactured in the USA in a state-of-the-art facility. GMP certified and FDA approved, Exipure does really work. If you are thinking of using it, I'm sure that you will have a good result with it. Importantly, do not forget that Exipure is only sold on the official website, and to help you prevent yourself from clicking on suspicious links and buying a fake supplement and losing money, just access the link I provided to you in the description. okay? I hope you love this information I have provided you and can enjoy all the benefits this product has to offer. That's for all today. Thanks for watching. Bye, take care.